Many educators need subgroups of students to manage teams, clubs, or extracurricular activities. Let's create a caseload for a learning specialist. This process is a little more involved, so we'll guide you through it step by step. Start by clicking on the Insights tab in Studyo. Then, click Open Insights on the top right. From the Profile menu, select Manage this school. Don't worry, you can't break anything here. Click on Sections in the list on the left, then click the plus button in the top right to create a new section. Although you'll see many fields here, only a few need your attention. Click New to generate a unique ID. Then, enter a section title that will be visible to you and your students. Optionally, choose a color and room name. Everything else can be left as is. Click Save, then click the 3 dots to the right of your new section and select Edit Students. Add the students who should be part of this section. And save. That's it! Your section is now available whenever you publish an assignment for everyone or selected students in that section.